Get ready with me to sit around the house and record like a couple shorts. Whoop-de-doo. Now, I am by no means a professional or anything, so don't expect anything cool as the end result. Okay, so I put face stuff on my face. I'm sorry, I can't tell you how makeup works. I'm not a professional. I'm barely even an amateur. I don't really do my own makeup. I don't really do makeup at all, to be honest. Speaking of makeup, what you heard was literally everything I had out falling. Woohoo. I just saw a fucking... Oh, by the way, I'm adding shimmer to my face. I just saw a fucking school bus pass by at like 6 o'clock. Oh wait, no, that's probably a high school bus. Who am I kidding? The shimmer is done. I'm not sure if you can see it that well on camera. I have a shitty ass camera. I am now doing my brows. Woo! I have done the brow width. Now on to my bubbles. I'm doing eyeliner. Is it the best? Definitely not. Is it amateur looking? Yes. Because an amateur is doing it. Headache, probably, from keeping this headband on. Tension in the swell. So this is what I came up with. It's not good. Help. Okay, now that my eyes have been properly lined. Sorry, I'm dying. I think. I don't know. I've been coughing a lot today. I finished lining my eyes. I'm gonna put eyeshadow on. I am lining my lippies. Okay, now that I've lined my lips, I'm gonna go in with this nice kind of berry colored lipstick. And we'll see how that turns out. Because, my eyes look kind of whack right now. So does my hair. I look like a mad scientist. I'm gonna go fix that. It looks like something. I'm gonna add some finishing touches. Reslut.